comes to clergy abuse, the real question is who allowed it to happen. Fault goes well beyond just the individual clergy member. The focus should be on who knew the risks, who failed to take action, and who is ultimately responsible for the harm that occurred. Liability can arise if an institution fails to vet someone and puts them in a position of trust, or keeps that person in a position of trust after concerns have been raised, like has happened thousands of times throughout the country and the world with respect to the Catholic Church. It's important to look at background checks, psychological testing, and a number of other things to ensure that clergy members can be safe around children. Leadership in the Catholic Church has a responsibility to monitor individuals to ensure that they're safe around others, especially children. Supervising individuals closely and making sure that warning signs or prior concerns are not ignored are critical to properly supervising members of the clergy. When concerns are reported internally, it's important that an investigation be done and the clergy member be removed from service. If those things don't happen and leadership in the church fails to investigate, or worse yet, covers it up, liability may arise. Institutional records are important to demonstrate whether there was any known history of abuse and whether the institution treated it properly or not. Documentation and records become important to help attorneys demonstrate not just what the institution knew, but when it knew it and how it handled the problem. There are a variety of damages available to victims of clergy abuse. That can be to compensate for financial losses, lost time from work, medical bills, but most importantly to try and help an individual recover from the serious mental and emotional damage that can occur from clergy sexual abuse. In addition, and in particularly egregious cases, the church may be held liable for punitive damages meant to punish them and deter future bad behavior. Legal representation helps build the full picture, from gathering important documents to making the right arguments to establish the suffering that you have been through. It is especially important for cases against the Catholic Church, which can be complex, to have attorneys with specialized knowledge that can help you.